What up, YouTube? This is your president, the presidential tourist, back with another exciting drink review taste test video. I got in there a cool pop. This is Coco Fizz. It's a chocolate flavored soda pop, caffeine free. Now I've actually had chocolate flavored pops before. It's been a while. This was probably about I don't know, maybe $1.97. I picked it up at this one store. It had a couple different pops. And I thought, you know what, this looks interesting. I'm going to try it. It's done by ZuberFizz.com. Crafted and bottled by Durango Soda Company, Inc., Durango, Colorado. And the ingredients is triple filtered carbonate water, pure cane sugar, natural and artificial flavors, sodium benzoate, and phosphoric acid. Tasty sounding. Okay. Let's give this a try, shall we? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That smells just like chocolate milk. And it looks like it's almost see-through. Let's see the color. See the color. Oh yeah, it's see-through, but not totally clear. Probably the color of like a ginger ale, which is kind of weird. A very, very light pea color. Kind of hard to get the smell from with the color. Whoa. That's really good. It's very chocolatey. It reminds me of chocolate milk, but it's not creamy. You don't have that that milk paste kind of texture to it. Almost reminds me of kind of like a ginger ale to it too. But I think it's just the color that's kind of making me think that. It's weird that they don't have a brown flavor or brown color, but but some people don't like the color brown for some of the different sodas. I think it might be off-putting. I don't really think so. Wow, it's so weird. I said I had chocolate flavored pops before, but it's been a long time, and when you get one, it's just weird. It's you don't think of a chocolate flavored soda, but you know what? It goes really good. Just like a coffee flavored soda, which I've had some coffee flavored pops. Oh, they're so good. I have to say, this is fantastic. Oh, this is fantastic. I have to say, and I'm definitely going to probably buy this again. I wonder if they make a diet of this. Probably not. I'll have to check out the website. But this is Coco Fizz Chocolate Soda by crafted bottled by Durango Soda Company, Inc. And it says Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory on the front. And it's caffeine free. Here you go. Look at that. And it is so delicious. Alright. Any comments or questions, put them below. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye.